Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, today is gonna be another hair video. It's that time of the semester, that time exam period, the stress is upon us, studying is upon us, the story of my life. So yeah, it's kind of difficult to take care of your hair during exam period. Well, for me, I don't take care of my hair during exam period. There's no time to put your hair in twists every night. You're sleeping late, you're waking up early. All you do is study, eat, and study and eat. So I'm going to show you guys how I take care of my hair. This is quick, easy, and simple to just put your hair away so it doesn't get damaged during exam period. So I like to start by parting my hair obviously into two sections evenly. I try to do this evenly. Sometimes I get my dad to part my hair or my mum to part my hair for me. But today no one was home, so I had to do it myself, and you guys are going to see it's not straight, but forgive me. So I try to make it as even as possible, well, at least at the front. And I try to do my best for the back as well, but we don't have eyes at the back of our heads. From there, I like to moisturize my hair, making sure that my hair is moist and well hydrated. It's been well moisturized anyway because this has been post wash. I did a deep condition, so it was really nice. What I'll be using is the Ultra Expression braid. That's what I always use. I get this at my far African hair shop. So as you can see, the ends are quite jagged and blunt. So what I like to do is I like to make them tapered. I prefer the tapered look than to tie them with something or burn them. So I go through and I cut the whole braid into half. I prefer using halves. I like my braids to be long. So I go through and I just moisturize the braids as well, just to make sure that there is no sort of stray away hairs. The more you can get rid of them, the neater and the nicer it'll look. So I go through teasing the hair. So essentially I'll hold really tight on one end and then just pull it. I go through and I comb the hair again, just to get rid of any tangles and stuff, and to just make sure that it's nice and smooth. And if you need to go through again and moisturize the hair, go through again and moisturize the hair. There's nothing wrong with over moisturizing, because it'll help you anyway once you start doing your hair. So then I'll split it into two parts and I'll brush the hair again. There's a lot of brushing that occurs. You need to get rid of the tangles. It just makes the process easier because you're dealing with natural hair. Then I begin to section the hair out into parts. So you go from really, really tiny to really, really thick. In Zimbabwe we call it carrot. I don't know what they call it. Weave in, I think is what they call it. You want to have a weave in. So yeah. Start by using Eco Styler gel to just gel down my edges and stuff. I don't really care about the middle of my head because it would have been rough anyway. Then I start the braid with just my hair, just so it's tiny and it's small, and then I start weaving in the little parts. Can be quite tough with natural hair. It's not as silky, it's not as smooth. You will have a bit of resistance from your hair sometimes, or you may have to be a bit slower and make sure that you actually go through your hair and sort of comb your hair with your hands to allow for a gap to be formed. So then I just go through and sort of braid down my hair, weaving in from the smallest to the largest sections that I had parted before. As you guys can see, these my extensions are hanging from the door. That's like the door hinge thing. You just gotta use what you can use to make sure that the hair is accessible and easy for you to grab. Once I do that, I just finish it off, and I also go again adding some moisturizer if needed, and I like to braid all the way down to the hair, and it's easy to do this and it'll stay as is because you tapered the braid. So I'll go through again and do the other side of the braid, making sure that I try and grab all the hair. There's a bit of a gap on the side there, but it's okay, be happy. Again, adding moisturizer if needed. Then I'll go through with some scissors and just cut off all the little frayed ends. And that's the finished product. I also go through sometimes or every day when I can and just lay my baby hairs down to just complete the look when I'm trying to style it and when I'm going out. So that's the finished product, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and comment down below. Press the bell button down below if you want to get a notification every time my video is posted. I love you guys so much. Thank you. See you next Friday. Bye.